He's looking,
So we're good?
yeah, we're good. I'm going to start for 1 second. There's a dorm Crosley. It's a dorm at NMH where we are right now.
Look at it right now. Look at this. People, look at this beautiful view.
That's Crosley over there. So anyway, you're an unknown distance from Crosley. You look up to see the top of Crosley at 30 degrees. You walk 40 meters, and now you can see Crosley, but you have to look up at an angle of 40 degrees. Say 2.
We're trying to find when we're at 30 degrees, the height from where we are to Crosley, and the way we find that is we do, since we know the angle 30 and we know the angle 40, and this is supplementary, so it equals 140. So 180 minus 40 equals 140. 180 minus 40, yeah, that makes sense. And then now we know 2 of the angles, and inside the angles has to add up to 180. So 140 plus 30 equals 170 plus 10. That's how we find this side. So, and on this side we know it's a 90-degree angle because it's a flat ground. And then we're looking up. We're not looking up, but it's, yeah, you guys know what I mean. And so it's 40 plus 90 equals 130, and then minus 180 equals 50, so we know this side. And then since we know all the angles, we can use this law or sine. So we do sine of 10 over 40 right here. And since we're trying to find B, we do sine of the angle B, 140 over this side, and equals 132.48. And since we know this side, we're trying to find the height of Crosley and how far we are from Crosley. And the way we find x is we do sine of 30, which is x over b, and which is sine of 30 x over b, and then x equals 66.24. And then since we know 2 of the sides, then we use the Pythagorean theory, which is 132.48 squared minus 66.24 squared. And then we square root that, which equals which equals these 2 numbers add up together. And then when we find actually that the number the length of the whole side, and you subtract it by 40, and you find this side.
Cool. Good work with the triangles by